When I was a kid, drawing was an interactive experience. For example, if I drew an airplane, I had to make airplane noises like all kinds of great fun. Now, Color Wonder Sound Studio from Crayola adds the sounds as the kids draw. Turn it on, pop in a sound card, press the sound, there's my motorboat, touch the palette, and then as you draw, and color, you'll hear the sound played back to you. Great fun, interactive, adds a whole new dimension to drawing, and because these are Color Wonder markers, they mark only on the special paper. Draw on your hand, draw on the walls, doesn't show up. This is the Color Wonder Sound Studio, bringing kids' drawings to life.